There's a car coming. And it's
I don't want my cat to die. You can have that, I don't care. It's a kitty cat. That's disgusting, dude.
And I bet
I
that
wonder what the cat's gonna do.
Oh, shh. What the?
Like,
Bro, look at.
Is there blood on his muzzle?
Yeah. Alright, come on, let's just go.
Okay, let's bring my cat.
Do not step on that bird.
yeah, it probably has herpes.
No, worse than that disease.
Oh, he's falling. Oh, he's going back.
Yo, what the hell? Bro, it's like smoky out here. Can you smell that?
Yeah, probably barbecue pig.
It smells horrible.
Oh yeah, I know. Today's barbecue.
Look at that. Wouldn't that be just a beautiful wallpaper? Hold on. Wouldn't this just be a beautiful wallpaper on your phone? Wouldn't that be a beautiful wallpaper?
Jasper, this cat is your soul.
Be awesome. This cat is following us.
I wonder if the cat likes this. Yeah.
Yeah, he likes
I
it.
do not know who that kid is. Officially.
Yeah, we don't know your name, so back off.
I didn't.
Yeah, we're right by our house. We know where.
I'm uploading all this to YouTube.
YouTube. Or should I say YouTube?
You guys already know I have a channel.
Let's bring it into our house.
It just follows.
Are you sure your grandmother would appreciate that?
Actually, I know this cat.
Let's not bring it into the house.
No,
Let's just
I know
let
this
it go.
cat sometimes sneaks into our garage. I know it's a very good kid.
Well,
Our new air conditioner filter.
he's still looking at us.
One air conditioner. Done.
Okay, guys, bring it.